History is being made in Washington as Congress honors the late Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Her flag-draped casket is lying in state at the U.S. Capitol, making her the first woman to receive the high honor. A pedestrian has been hit and killed in Cranston in the area of Weston Avenue. Police are investigating. House Speaker Nicholas Mattiello is expected to testify at the upcoming trial of a former campaign aide. Jeff Britt is accused of money laundering during Mattiello's re-election campaign. In sports, Red Sox face the Braves, Celtics face the Heat. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Today, mostly sunny skies and well above normal with our temperatures heading to the low 80s for highs with a slightly muggy feel. Saturday, highs in the middle to upper 70s with more clouds in the afternoon. Sunday, upper 70s and turning mostly cloudy ahead of late evening spot showers. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Positive Coaching Alliance.
Violence and vandalism.
Defund and abolish police reform.
Surge of infections.
Wearing masks and slowness for the travel advisory. And getting people back to work.
There's a lot going on.
It's crazy what's going on.
The latest going on.
Gotta know what's happening.
I need to know what's going on.
At the top and 30 minutes past the hour. What you want, what you need.
What's going on?
Every day. On News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Got issues with youth or high school?
It's your part-time job.
485. NFL Week 3 began.
Oh, no.
First win. They beat the Jaguars 31-13. That moves the Dolphins to 1-3 on the season. Sunday afternoon, the Patriots will host the Las Vegas Raiders. Bad news from the Patriots today, though, is starting center David Andrews broke his thumb on his snapping hand. Had surgery this week. This according to multiple reports. Likely out this week and potentially more. Also, Josh Uche, the linebacker, and running back James White not spotted at the media portion of practice today. Red Sox have 3 games left in their season. Starting tonight in Atlanta, they lost to the Orioles 13-1 last night. Headlines are brought to you by Pride Kia of Lynn. As you get back on the road, feeling safe in a new car at the right price is important. Go visit Pride Kia on the Linway in Lynn or online at Pride